In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily disable end-to-end encryption on Facebook Messenger quickly and easily. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Messenger app. Once it is done, tap right here to go to menu, then tap where it says settings. And here we are looking for the option privacy and safety. Just get into it. On this step we need to select end-to-end encrypted chats, and after that just go to message storage. Now here down the bottom we can easily find the option turn off secure storage. I'm gonna tap right here, and in order to turn off encrypted chats for that particular device we need to hit right here where it says turn off. Please keep in mind that this only turns off encryption on this particular device. Your messages will still be encrypted on other devices unless you manually disable it for each one. If you want to completely turn off encryption, you need to log out of encrypted sessions on other devices as well. So guys, to do that we need to go back to end-to-end encrypted chats, and that's where we need to tap Add Security Alerts, just like that. After that, tap Add View Logins, and it will display you all your other logins on other devices. Right here at the top it says that these logins can send and receive end-to-end encrypted messages or calls. So guys, if we want to disable end-to-end encryption, we can easily do so in that way. Just enter some device and then hit Add Logout right there. After that, hit Add Remove. It says here that if you log in again on this device, you won't see any end-to-end encrypted messages that were sent while you were logged out. To continue, hit Add Remove. That's how we can easily, one by one, turn off end-to-end encryption on all of our devices. Basically, guys, that's how it can be easily done, and if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.